Hi everyone, you are watching Infovenue. My name is Abbas, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail for your YouTube videos on Android. So in this video I will teach you how you can make a creative thumbnail in HD quality using your smartphone. So if you have any smartphone, you can easily make quality thumbnails. So there are multiple ways of making thumbnails, like you can use different tools on PC also, like you can use Adobe Photoshop, you can use Canva. So if you will like this video, I will make a series out of this, and in other videos I will try to cover the Canva and the Adobe Photoshop part. So what all you need to have to make a creative thumbnail on your Android is you need this tool called Pixel Lab. So you can see on the screen this blue color tool, Pixel Lab. So if you don't have this tool, first download it, then come and see this video. So let me click on this tool. So this is the interface of this tool. So I'll not go much into the interface. When I'll teach you how to make a thumbnail, I will be using different icons here, so you will understand what is this and what is that. Okay, so first I will delete this new text written. So I'll first delete. I'll click on the delete button. Okay, now first we need to click on these three dots on the right corner. Okay, here you can see different options. So there is an option called image size. First click on image size. Now click on the preset option where custom is written. So there are multiple options like custom, square, profile picture, YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail. So now we are interested in making YouTube thumbnail, so I'll click on YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so here is the size of the YouTube thumbnail already written here. Width is 1280 and height is 720. So I'll click OK. So this is the size of the thumbnail. Okay, so I'll try to change this background color. So this is a gradient green type color. I'll try to change. I'll click on this icon, and now there's an option called color. So I'll click on the color. Now you can see two options, color, gradient. Click on the color. So now the color has been changed to white. You can now click on the right button. Okay, so now let me choose a background for this thumbnail. Okay, so let me open the gallery and I'll choose this background. So I'm making a video on Aligarh Muslim University free IAS coaching. So this thumbnail is for that. So let me use the background for AMU RCA. So you can see the background is adjusted. Let me make it a little bigger. Okay, so you can see this is the background. Now you can change the opacity of this background also. So I'll change the opacity. So here you can see the option opacity. I'll click on it. I'll try to reduce it. I'll reduce it to 50%. Okay, so this is the background I have set. It is not necessary that you have to set a background with the image. You can use any color like orange, green, red, blue, whatever of your choice, but I use such backgrounds. Now let me add text. So this is the plus sign you can see on the screen on the top left corner. Click on this plus sign and there's an option called text. So click on the text. Now let me edit it. So you can edit using this pencil. So I'll write AMU free IAS coaching. This is a topic of my video, and let me put a flame icon here which shows that this topic is really important, and so I use this image. Okay, so I'll put it on the top like this. Okay, now I'll change the color of the text here. So it is written AMU free IAS coaching. So I'll change the text. So I'll click on the A. So this is for text. and I'll change the color. So I'll change the color to black. Okay, so the color has been changed. Now let me change the font also. So I'll use Amaranth Bold. You can use any font. So there are multiple fonts here, you can see. Even you have fonts in Arabic and other languages also, like Persian. So I'll stick to Amaranth Bold. I'll click here. Okay, now let me choose a background. So I'll choose a green background. So this is how it is looking. Okay, so I have written the text. I have also made the background green in color, so everything is set. So let me make it little bigger, and yeah. Okay, so now let me put some images here to make it more creative. Okay, so I'll first put the AMU logo. So I'll crop it. So whenever you use any logo, try to crop it as smaller as possible. Okay, so now this is the logo, but I'll use, so it is not clearly visible, so I'll click on the add button. There is an option for shapes, so click on the shapes. You can use a circle from here. Okay, so I'll put it here. So now the circle is on the top. So there is something called layers, so you'll click on this button below these three dots. So here you can see these are the layers. So this is the first layer, this is the second, and then above that this layer, and above that this layer. So I want this logo, AMU logo, to come above the circle. So I have moved it above the circle. Now you can see earlier this green logo, it was below that white shape, white circle. Now it is above that circle. So let me make it little larger. Okay, okay, so this is done, and let me add one of my image. So when you add images, you need to remove the background. So let me show you one image of mine. So let me choose this image. So this is the image. Here you can see there's a background. This tube light is showing, and that wires are showing. So I have to remove these. So what I can do is, so there are multiple ways. So you can use PixArt app. So this is the PixArt app. You can use it to crop the background, remove the background, and later you can use this background eraser also, or photo layer tool. So you can download these tools from Play Store. Okay, so I've already cropped the so I've already removed the background in a video, because if I'll remove the background in this video, then it will take more time and the video will be too longer. So I'll directly upload that image. So this is the image with removed background. So I'll crop it like this. Okay, so this is the image. I'll make it little smaller, more smaller. Okay, so here's the image. I have uploaded it. Okay, now I can put some stroke is like the let me show you. So this is the stroke option. You can click enable. You can use any colors. So like I am using white, you can use green, you can any. So I'll use white, and I'll put it at 9. Okay, so the image is done now. Okay, so let us make it little more attractive. Let us add something else. So what else I have told in this video, I'll try to put on the thumbnail. So let me copy this text, let me edit it, and I'll write coaching features. So I have told the coaching features in this video. So let me put it here. So I'll put a question mark, and this is a text. So I'll make it little smaller so that it will fit. Okay, so yeah, this is done. Now let me add, let me copy and put another text. So it is up to you. You can put anything on the thumbnail, but try to put something catchy so that people will be attracted to your thumbnail and it will make them curious to click on the thumbnail. I'll put eligibility also because I have given all these details. So I'll click eligibility, so I'll put it here. So eligibility is done, and you can use other colors also, like I am using green. You can use different colors for one text, like let me show you. So you can use yellow here. Okay, so there is no restrictions on that. You can use multiple colors. I am using similar colors, so I'll go with that green only. Okay, so let me copy once again, and now let me put the last detail, that is entrance test details. I'll put a question mark. Okay, so this is the, so I'll put it here. I can put it here only also. Let me put it little here so that it fits. Yeah, so let me add the logo of UPSC. So this is the UPSC symbol. I'll crop it and I'll make it a little better. So this is the UPSC symbol. I'll make it smaller and I'll put it here. So I think it is not fitting, so I'll make this little smaller. Okay, so now I'll put the UPSC symbol here only. So this is my thumbnail. I have already made it, and this is simple and very clear. Okay, so you can use your creativity to make thumbnails. So there is no restriction that like you can add this or you can add that. You can use any image, you can use creatives, you can use your own imagination to make a thumbnail as catchy as possible, as creative as possible, and it should be, you know, in HD quality. So now you need to save this video. So you should click on this save symbol. So there are two options: save as project, save as image. So you should save as project first. So I'll give any name, EMU. Okay, so I'll click OK. Okay, the saving has been done, and then I'll save it as an image. Now I'll also tell you why I saved it as a project. So because when you save a thumbnail or any photo in the Pixel Lab app in a project, then you can later edit that. So sometimes it happens that, you know, we make thumbnails and later we have to change it. Like you must have seen people, they write on their thumbnails 2 million views, 20,000 views, like something like that. So suppose you upload a video and later it got viral, then you can, you know, write in the thumbnail that, oh, it has got this much views. So you can later edit. So this is the purpose of saving your thumbnail as a project. So yeah, this was all about the thumbnail part. So this is the final thumbnail you can see on the screen. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative videos. So mostly I make videos which gives information to the audience. Do like, share and subscribe. So that is very important. And if you would like to ask anything, then you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you and have a nice day.